of lattice energy, the first point is that the lattice energy is directly proportional to cation and anion. Either you can say that Z positive or you can say that Z negative. Second one is lattice energy is directly inversely proportional to the radius of either cation or anion. Okay, in combination, I can say that whenever I am going to combine, so lattice energy is directly proportional to Z positive, Z negative, inversely proportional to R positive and R negative. This is the final. What is the meaning of that? You can say that if the cation are increases, to lattice energy are increases. If the radius of the anyone increases, so that means lattice energy is decreases. And you know that lattice energy is directly proportional to the stability. So now we will compare the stability of the compounds. Okay. One point note, you remember what will happen if sometimes the charge are same, sometimes cation are same, sometimes our anions are same. So what you need, first you will see charge. Which one you need to see? In the same time both the positive ion and radius both? No. First charge देखो, first charge देखो. If charges are same, then see the radius. Compare the radius. Compare the radius. What I am saying, please note down this one. If first you need to see the charge. Just for example, the question is that arrange the following compound in their arrange the following compound in the increasing order of their stability. Arrange following compound in order of that is LIF, LICL, LIBR, LII. देखो, first you need to see the charge. So how to arrange? Second, this one is the third, this one is the fourth. Okay, how you will arrange increasing order of stability? Okay, either you arrange increasing or decreasing. Here I am not given any question. Then you can arrange. Okay, then you see the first charge. All the Li will carry the positive charge, and this negative. This one is also one negative. This one Cl also one negative. Br also negative, and I also negative. So what is happening here? First we will check the charges. If charges are same, देखो, all the compounds having the same charges, then we will compare the radius. So you know that Li are common, then we will go for halides. So you know the I size is largest, this one is size is largest, and lattice energy opposite to the size. If the size increases, so lattice energy decreases. You see this point, this one point. So what will happen? Ki LIF stability is maximum, then LICL, then LIBR, then LII. समझ में आया आप लोगों को या नहीं आया? करना क्या? फिर देखिए, इसको रब कर रहा हूं मैं. First you need to see the charge. If the charges are same, then you see the radius, and radius are opposite and charge are directly proportional to. Now come to the this one. Arrange stability. Arrange stability of following compound in increasing order. In increasing order. For example, I am taking Na2O, MgO, then Al2O3. Okay, so what is our rule? First you go for charge. How much charge Na carrying? This is carrying the +1 and oxygen is -2. Again Mg carrying +2, this one is -2. Again Al carrying the 3 positive and oxygen is -2. Clear? So what is happening? First, तो यानी कि lattice energy directly proportional to charge. So which one has the maximum charge? Aluminium ion is, because the second one is the same. So cation is, you will see the cation. So now which one has a maximum stability? The aluminium oxide has maximum stability because it's carrying the maximum charge. Okay, or I can say that this is a stability order. Stability order. Yeah, you can say the cation size. Cation size, what is happening here? Na is largest. Z by E rule, you know that. So cation size decreases. Cation size whenever decreases, lattice energy increases, and charge, cation charge increases. It means stability of Al2O3 is maximum. Clear? One more question. Write fast. MgO, MgS. Which one has greater lattice energy in these two? Now you see the both of the metal having the same size, same charge, and sulfur and oxygen having the same charge. Now what you will do? Now you will do for the size. देखो Mg2 positive and in this one Mg2 positive of the both the same size. Now go for the oxygen side and sulfur side. So you know that size of sulfur is more, so that the stability of MgO is greater than to MgS. Okay, anion size increases, that means lattice energy decreases. It means what will happen? Stability decreases. One more question. If lattice energy of NaCl is X, what will be the lattice energy for MgO? Option are X, 2x, 3x, D4x. This is the simplest question. Simple one. How you will do? You know that lattice energy directly proportional to Z positive, Z negative. Yes? Yes or no? So it means NaCl, this is the positive and negative. So lattice energy for NaCl is 1 into 1 equal to 1 means X. Clear? For MgO, MgO. So you know that Mg is carrying 2 positive charge, Cl is carrying, now oxygen is carrying the 2 negative charge. So it means 2 into 2 equal to 4. If 1 is equal to x, so 4 means 4x. So what is the lattice energy for this? That is 4x. Clear? Clear. Good.
Yes, sir.
Amin?
Yes, sir.
Done.